Your website's design can make or break that all-important first impression. The good news: with WordPress, you can completely change your site's look in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to install a WordPress theme step by step and what to look for when choosing a great one. Before we install anything, let's quickly talk about how to pick a good theme. Not all themes are created equal. Look for one that's responsive, so it looks great on mobile and desktop. Make sure it's lightweight and well-coded, so your site doesn't slow down. Check that it's regularly updated and has good reviews. Okay, first let's look at the default theme that's been pre-installed with this version of WordPress. As you can see, it's very simple. So let's return to the dashboard. Now, let's install a theme. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes. Next, click Add Theme. Here you can browse a lot of free themes in the official WordPress directory. You can also search by using the various filters to narrow it down. As I'm planning to use the Elementor Page Builder, I will install their Hello theme. It's responsive, lightweight, and well-coded. Hover over it, then click Install. Then click Activate. The Hello theme is now installed. This is a great blank canvas for the Elementor Page Builder plugin, which can be used to create your website design. There are both free and pro versions available. In the next video, I install the free plugin and begin designing the website. To support the channel, please subscribe and like the video. I really enjoy creating content to help people.